Before you close that bag, there's something you need to know. TSA screening has changed significantly. Airports have rolled out advanced thermal, CT imaging technology that generates detailed 3D density maps of checked baggage. And it does so almost instantly after you drop your bag off. The process is largely automated. When the system detects something suspicious, the bag is rerouted, and security personnel are already on their way before you've even left the check-in area. What's surprising is that the items being flagged, seized, and occasionally damaged aren't illegal or dangerous. They're everyday travel electronics, products that are widely available, well-reviewed, and packed by travelers every day without a second thought. This video shares 15 common electronics that could get your bag pulled aside and inspected, simply because of where you place them. One item in particular is currently responsible for secondary screenings at international airports than anything else. But the good news? The fix takes all of 4 seconds. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more travel-saving insights. Here we begin. Number 1. Smart luggage with non-removable batteries. Smart luggage once felt like the future of travel. Built-in USB ports, GPS tracking, and digital locking systems made these suitcases incredibly convenient. But what makes them smart is also what makes them risky. The lithium battery inside these bags is the problem. Airlines and TSA now require that these batteries be removable because if a fire starts in the cargo hold, it becomes extremely difficult to contain. When the battery is sealed inside the suitcase, there is no way to quickly remove the risk. This puts travelers in a tough position at security. If the battery cannot be detached, the suitcase cannot travel. Many passengers end up opening their bags in the middle of the checkpoint, trying to fix the issue under pressure. In cases where removal is impossible, the entire suitcase may have to be left behind. Number 2. Power banks and checked baggage. Power banks are among the most misunderstood travel items, mainly because they seem harmless. They are small, portable, and used constantly to keep devices charged. But from a safety perspective, they are treated very differently. The issue lies in how lithium-ion batteries behave under certain conditions. Inside the cargo hold, pressure changes and temperature variations can increase the risk of overheating. If a power bank catches fire in that environment, it can spread quickly without immediate detection. That is why TSA strictly requires power banks to be carried in cabin baggage only. When placed in checked luggage, they are often discovered during screening and removed. In many cases, travelers do not even realize what happened until they open their suitcase at their destination and find the device missing. Number 3. Loose or unprotected lithium batteries. Loose batteries are small but incredibly powerful. When carried without protection, they become one of the most dangerous items in a travel bag. The risk comes from short circuits. If the terminals of a battery come into contact with metal objects like coins, keys, or even other batteries, it can create a surge of heat. This heat can quickly escalate into a fire. To prevent this, TSA requires each battery to be individually protected. This can mean keeping them in original packaging, using battery cases, or taping over terminals. When travelers ignore this requirement, even unintentionally, security officers often confiscate the batteries immediately. Number 4. Cordless hair tools. Cordless hair tools have become increasingly popular, especially for travelers who want convenience without dealing with cables. But these devices come with hidden complications. Some use lithium batteries while others rely on butane cartridges to generate heat. Both of these elements are considered fire risks. Because of this, TSA has tightened restrictions on certain models, especially those that cannot be safely secured during transport. Travelers are often caught off guard when these everyday grooming tools are flagged. What feels like a simple addition to a travel bag can quickly become a prohibited item depending on its design. Number 5. Electric razors and trimmers with damaged batteries. Electric grooming devices are generally allowed, but their condition matters more than most people realize. A razor or trimmer with a damaged battery is treated very differently from one in good condition. Signs like swelling, overheating, or physical damage suggest that the battery is unstable. and an unstable lithium battery is a serious risk. During screening, TSA officers may inspect devices more closely if something appears unusual. If the battery shows any sign of potential danger, the device may be removed from the bag entirely. This turns what seems like a routine personal item into a confiscation risk. Number 6. Electric toothbrushes. An electric toothbrush may seem like the last thing that could cause trouble at an airport, but even this everyday item falls under battery safety rules. If the device cannot be powered on, or if its battery appears damaged, it raises concerns. TSA officers may ask travelers to turn on electronic devices as part of the screening process. This helps verify that the device is functional and not hiding something unusual. When a device fails this simple check, it may not be allowed on board. This is especially true if the battery condition is unclear or questionable. Number 7. Vapes and e-cigarettes. Vapes and e-cigarettes are one of the most frequently mishandled electronics in air travel. The key rule is simple, but often ignored. These devices must be carried in cabin baggage and never placed in checked luggage. The reason again comes back to lithium batteries and fire risk. When packed incorrectly, they are often removed during baggage screening. In some cases, travelers may also face penalties depending on airline policies and local regulations. Despite their popularity, these devices continue to be a major source of confusion at security checkpoints. Number 8. Drones and drone batteries. Drones have become a favorite for capturing travel moments, but they come with strict transportation rules. The drone itself is usually not the issue, the batteries are. Drone batteries often have high energy capacity, which increases their risk profile. TSA requires these batteries to be carried in cabin baggage and within specific watt-hour limits. If the batteries are too large, poorly labeled, or improperly packed, they can be confiscated. Travelers who are unaware of these requirements often face unexpected complications at the airport. Number 9. Hidden cameras and spy gadgets. Devices designed to blend in are exactly what make them suspicious. Hidden cameras disguised as everyday objects can trigger additional screening because they are not immediately recognizable. Security officers are trained to identify potential threats, and anything that appears deceptive is treated with caution. If the purpose of the device cannot be quickly verified, it may be confiscated. This creates problems for travelers carrying such gadgets, even if they are intended for harmless use. Number 10. Rechargeable plasma lighters. Plasma lighters represent a modern twist on a traditional item, but they still fall under strict regulations. Instead of a flame, these lighters use an electric arc powered by a lithium battery. This combination introduces both heat and electrical risks. Depending on how they are packed and the specific airline rules, they may be restricted or confiscated. Travelers often assume they are safer than traditional lighters, but security guidelines treat them with equal caution. Number 11. High-capacity laptop batteries. Not all laptop batteries are created equal. While standard laptops usually pass through security without issue, high-capacity batteries can raise concerns. Gaming laptops and extended battery packs often exceed typical limits. When a battery crosses certain watt-hour thresholds, it may require special approval or may not be allowed at all. Security officers may inspect these devices more carefully, and if the battery specifications are unclear, it can lead to delays or confiscation. Number 12. Damaged or recalled electronic devices. A device's history matters just as much as its current condition. Electronics that have been recalled due to battery defects are considered higher risk. Even if the device appears to function normally, its past issues can make it unsafe in the eyes of airlines and TSA. Visible damage adds another layer of concern. Cracks, swelling, or exposed components suggest potential hazards. In such cases, confiscation becomes a likely outcome. Number 13. Portable speakers with large batteries. Portable speakers are a travel favorite, but larger models can carry powerful batteries that attract attention during screening. If the battery capacity is high or not clearly labeled, it creates uncertainty. TSA officers may choose to inspect the device or remove it altogether if they cannot verify its safety. This is especially common with oversized speakers designed for outdoor or party use. Number 14. Electronics that cannot be powered on. This is one of the simplest rules, yet it catches many travelers off guard. TSA officers may request that electronic devices be turned on during screening. This ensures that the device is genuine and functioning as expected. If a device cannot power on, it raises questions. A drained battery may seem like a small issue, but at security, it can result in the device being denied entry onto the plane. Number 15. DIY or modified electronic devices. Custom-built electronics carry a level of uncertainty that standard devices do not. Exposed wires, unusual configurations, or non-standard components make it difficult for security officers to quickly assess safety. In an environment where quick decisions are critical, uncertainty often leads to confiscation. Even if the device is harmless, its unfamiliar appearance can trigger alarms and lead to immediate removal. Keep your gadgets. Avoid confiscation. Understanding the rules is only half the battle. The real difference comes from how electronics are packed, stored, and presented during screening. Small adjustments can mean the difference between walking through smoothly or watching expensive gadgets disappear into a confiscation bin. The first rule is simple but critical. Always keep lithium battery-powered devices in cabin baggage whenever possible. Items like power banks, spare batteries, and high-capacity electronics should never be placed in checked luggage. This reduces fire risk and aligns with TSA safety protocols. Battery protection is another key factor. Loose batteries should never float freely inside a bag. Each one should be stored in a protective case, original packaging, or at the very least have its terminals covered. This prevents accidental contact with metal objects that could cause short circuits. Charging devices before arriving at the airport is often overlooked but extremely important. Phones, laptops, tablets, and other electronics may be tested by TSA officers. If a device cannot power on, it may not be allowed through security. A fully charged device acts as proof that it is functional and safe. Pay attention to battery condition as well. Any sign of swelling, overheating, leakage, or physical damage increases the risk level instantly. Even if the device works, visible damage can lead to confiscation because it signals potential instability. Label visibility also plays a surprisingly big role. Batteries with clearly printed watt-hour ratings and manufacturer details are easier for TSA to verify. When this information is missing or worn out, it creates uncertainty, and uncertainty often leads to removal. Packing electronics in an organized way can speed up the screening process. Keeping devices in easily accessible compartments allows them to be removed quickly if required. Tangled wires, cluttered bags, and hidden gadgets tend to attract additional inspection. Avoid carrying modified or DIY electronics unless absolutely necessary. Custom-built devices can look unfamiliar on scanners, making it harder for security officers to assess them quickly. Standard factory-made electronics are far less likely to cause delays or confiscation. It is also important to understand airline-specific rules. While TSA sets general guidelines, individual airlines may have stricter limits, especially for battery capacity and certain electronic devices. Checking these rules before traveling can prevent last-minute surprises. Finally, when in doubt, keep it simple. The fewer questionable electronics in a bag, the smoother the journey through security. Minimalism is not just about packing light, it is about reducing risk. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more travel-saving insights and updates that keep every journey smooth and hassle-free.